Hi guys, and welcome to another lot of Cisco questions, and we're going to do understanding data flow today. So only a couple of questions, but there's a little bit sort of involved with the explanation. So without further ado, let's get into them. We've got when a packet is sent from a system on your network to a system on another network, which of the following is true of the packet as it is passed to your router from your system? So we got destination IP address for them, your router, destination MAC address, your router, remote system destination MAC address, your router destination MAC address, remote system destination MAC address, remote system. Alright, it's not going to be the last one, but what I'll do here is I'll show you the answer and then explain it. Probably a little bit easier to do it that way. So close your eyes or pause the video. I'll reveal the answer is B. The destination IP address goes through the remote system destination MAC address, your router. So the destination IP address stays sort of the same. As far as the MAC address goes, that will be the MAC address of your router. So obviously the destination IP address will be the remote system, being that that's where the data is going to. And the destination MAC address won't be the remote system, it will be your router, because that's the last bit of communication between the remote system. So you've got the router and then the remote system. So the routers will go through the MAC address process there, so it won't be the MAC address of the system. So the addresses, IP addresses, sort of stay the same around the area, and the MAC addresses change depending upon what the last device it went through. So it could be a switch or a router. 380, computer A is sending a message to computer B. Looking at the figure below, which of the following are true of the message as it travels between router 2 and switch 2? So we've got three here. Destination IP address is that of router 2, destination MAC is that of computer B, source MAC is that of router 1, source MAC is that of computer A, destination IP is that of computer B, and the destination MAC is that of switch 2, source MAC is that of router 2. Alright, so again, I'll do the same thing here. I'll just go to the answer and then explain it. It's probably a little bit easier, as this one's got a little bit involved with it, so feel free to pause the video, but I'll go to the answer now. It's B, E and G. Destination MAC is that of computer B, destination IP is that of computer B, the source of the MAC is that of router 2. So what we're going to remember here is, I'll get my mouse here, so again the MAC address won't be the computers here, BG, that the MAC of router 2, so it won't be the remote system, it'll be the router 2 there, as sort of exemplified in the first question. So that sort of sums that one up. Destination MAC is that of computer B. Oh, sorry, the source of the MAC is that of router 2. So yeah, it gets it from there. And then the destination obviously is computer B there. And going the wrong way. And the final one, destination IP address is that of computer B. So what we do know is A is trying to talk to B. The IP addresses will be as they are, and B is the final sort of link in the chain, and obviously the destination IP address is that of computer B. That's where it sort of needs to go to. A is talking to B quite simply, so that sort of outlines the mechanics behind it there. 381, computer A is sending a message to computer B. Again, looking at the figure below, which of the following are true of the message as it travels between router 1 and router 2? Select 3. So we've got IP address is out of router 2, source IP address out of computer A, the source MAC address is out of router 1, source MAC address is out of computer A, and the destination IP address is out of computer B. The destination MAC is that of computer B. So once again, I'll go to the next slide, so feel free to pause. The answer is BCE, so those are the three there. The source IP address is that of computer A. That's correct, because it's starting at computer A. The IP address is there, so the source is sort of where it starts, the destination is where it's trying to get to explain that one simply. The source MAC address is that of router 1. Again, we're not really dealing with MAC addresses from the computer. It's obviously where it sort of starts, I suppose, transferring the data, which is what routers are primarily responsible for. And yep, so that will be where the start, and then destination IP address is out of computer B. That's obviously correct, because A is the source, of the IP address, and then the switches and the routers do their thing, and they just sort of transfer the data. They wrong way. Destination IP is the rest of those computer bits. So obviously, yeah, as we know, A is the source, A is trying to talk to B, and therefore B is the destination of the IP address there. So that's the answer for that one, and that's all today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe away if you want some more content. I'll keep it coming along, and like the video if you found it helpful or liked it, and really appreciate your time and watching the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.